What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, Redmi Note 13 Pro and the Redmi Note 13 5G smartphones to see how much difference we are going to get in terms of the benchmarking test score results and in performance in daily usage. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. We have already performed all of these tests to save your time, and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu benchmark. So the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus scored 803,049, Redmi Note 13 5G scored 455,735 and the Redmi Note 13 Pro scored 436,456. So first position, second position, third position. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can have a look on the test score result of CPU, GPU, UX and memory, and as expected in all of these four, performance of Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is the best, and after that it is the comparison between Redmi Note 13 5G and Redmi Note 13 Pro. In CPU, GPU and UX, performance of Redmi Note 13 5G is better, and in memory, performance of Redmi Note 13 Pro is better, but our concern is the overall score, and in that, performance of Redmi Note 13 5G is better compared to Redmi Note 13 Pro. So let's go back from here, let's have a look on the next test, and that's 3D Mark. So this test is divided in multiple parts. We have performed the Slingshot, Slingshot Extreme, Wildlife, Wildlife Extreme in all of these devices. As you can see, on Slingshot Extreme and Slingshot, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G maxed out, but comparing between Redmi Note 13 5G and Redmi Note 13 Pro, in Slingshot, Redmi Note 13 5G scored 3,822 and Redmi Note 13 Pro scored 3,458. So once again, in this, performance of Redmi Note 13 5G is better compared to Redmi Note 13 Pro. If you talk about the Slingshot Extreme, in that, Redmi Note 13 5G scored 2,778 and Redmi Note 13 Pro scored 2,593. So in Slingshot Extreme as well, performance of Redmi Note 13 5G is better compared to Redmi Note 13 Pro. Now if we talk about the Wildlife, then Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G scored 4,476, Redmi Note 13 5G scored 1,338 and Redmi Note 13 Pro scored 1,245. So once again, first position, second position, third position. If we go to the Wildlife Extreme, in this, Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus scored 1,219, Redmi Note 13 5G scored 370 and Redmi Note 13 Pro scored 346. So in all of these four tests, the performance of Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is the best. After that, it is Redmi Note 13 5G and then the Redmi Note 13 Pro. So let's go back from here. Now it's time for the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 6. So this test is divided in CPU and GPU, and once again the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G scored 1,205 in single core, 2,741 in multi-core, while Redmi Note 13 5G scored 782 in single core, 2,104 in multi-core, and Redmi Note 13 Pro scored 734 in single core and 1,995 in multi-core. So once again, first position, second position, third position. If we go to the GPU test, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus scored 3,289, Redmi Note 13 5G scored 1,410 and Redmi Note 13 Pro scored 1,308. So in all of these three tests and their sub-test, the performance of Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is better, and it is usually scoring twice of what we are getting on Redmi Note 13 5G and the Redmi Note 13 Pro. Between these two devices, performance of Redmi Note 13 5G is a bit better compared to Redmi Note 13 Pro. The difference is not too much, as you can see here, but still the overall performance of Redmi Note 13 5G will be better compared to Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G smartphone. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.